Jason number one, show me the proper proper torque tightening of this one. How much the specification?
12 Newton meter and 120 degree.
Yes. And then what will you're doing now? You hand tight only first step,
Yeah.
and then
Put top.
and then put cover. Mr. Jason, the number one transmission guy. After you torque, you put marking, huh? No marking? No marking pin? See how I will say the picture, the sequence, and the torque. Where the torque? Okay. So Mr. Jason is very
This one where?
very standard. See, 10, 11, 12.
Newton meter.
Yeah, here Newton meter.
Yeah.
Upstart. So where is the number one? Okay. So we follow this one. Where number two? 1, 2. 1, 2. 3 is here. Number 3. 3. Oh, why like this way, hungry?
This one not good.
What not good? Still good.
My mobile here.
Your mobile will go in the. Okay, number 5. 6. Number 6. 7 there. Nope. No. That's number 3. 7. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 7. Okay. 7, number 8.
You're confusing me.
I confused the master technician. And then number 8, 9, 10. 10 at the bottom. 11. Second to the left side. 12. Fourth to the right.
No. Total.
Plus only 12. Only 12 bolts. And then now here rechecking for there is a over torque. All good. Check here.
No need.
No need. 5. Shada. Why like this? Plus
Now 120 degree.
120 degree. How you know 120 degree?
There is the angle torque.
Angle torque.
Only by guessing.
Only by guessing is shada.
Yeah, this one sometimes.
Maybe that one may torque per torque.
Yeah, digital. I have digital torque wrench.
Shada. Where the number 1? Oh,
Oh, girlfriend?
very beautiful.
Girlfriend?
Aywa.
No.
See? Okay. Where?
This is 90 degree.
Yeah, 90 degree.
110 degree.
How many? 120. Yeah,
90.
90. Oh, plus. You're very smart guy, ah. No. Why this one?
You.
You record. Number 2. Number 1.